What's up, everybody? It's your boy Orlando, aka King Smitty, and welcome back to my trading journey. And I think I have a good one for you today. So, today I have this new indicator that I have been testing out all day. I'm going to continue testing it, but so far it's made 258% return on a 0 day to expire option. But before we get started in that indicator, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate y'all for rocking with me so far. We're on our way to 500 subscribers. And as well, if you want to start trading on some free stocks, hit that link below for webull. Get you some free stocks. Go ahead and sign up. Just put like $1 in there. Get your reward for the free stocks, right? So the indicator that I want to talk about today is called the Nutaraya Watson envelope. And I came across this because one of the YouTubers that I do follow, they do use this. They have been experimenting with this indicator recently, and from what I see with him, his technical analysis is on point. Now, I like my technical analysis, but his is a lot better than mine. But I am still trying to learn at this. But the Nataraya Watson envelope, it is. It has two bands on there, one on the upper band and one on the lower band. It's not to be confused with the Bollinger Bands at all. And it's a type of moving average calculated by taking a weighted average of data points over a period of time. So the envelope, like I said, creates a line up top and a line up down bottom, and they're parallel from each other from the moving average. Um, the top band can be used as like a resistance. The bottom band can be used as a support, and it paints indicators on there whenever it is crossed, right? Um, and it's only crossed when it reaches the extremes. So I want to take a look at this on the trading view. Windows. Okay. Now, looking at this now, this is the QQQ, and this is the 1 minute chart. And I'm going to probably test this out with my day trades and my swing trades to see how it is. And as you can see, there's indicators telling them to go in and to go out. Um, this indicator, the Nataraya Watson envelope, is not to be used on its own. It does repaint. But you can see right here, it gives you indicators to go in. This is at $398.73. It runs up to 400. Small movement in dollars, but percentage for a 0 day to expire option is a huge runner, right? So you can see right here is when it opened. It opened up with a gap down initially today. It gave us an indicator, but it was too early. It was too early to buy it because the options doesn't open up till 9:45. Market opens up at 9:30. So I couldn't do those two, and I really don't like jumping in as soon as the market opens. I'm not that confident yet. That's not my style of trading. But then it comes right here. It's at 10 o'clock. You can see the price is at $396. So my 0 day to expire option that I was following, because I'm testing this out, was a $379 0 day to expire option. It was currently at $75 to buy. And you can see, as soon as if I would enter in at this indicator, I'd have ran up. So that's already what, $396 to $392 gain. It comes back down, it runs up again. So from 10 o'clock to 11:15, an hour and 15 minutes, it made 258% gain that quick, right? And with things like this, I don't try to ride it to the very top all the time. Once it gets above a certain threshold, I do put um, a limit sell and a limit sell order above and below take profit, so that way I can guarantee lock in some profits if it does begin to drop. But if it continues to run, I will continue to lift my limit sell up. Um, so that's 258% gain that fast. So even if it would have came back down, my limit would have hit. There's no indicator up here up top to put it in the short position. So just going off of this indicator alone, I wouldn't have put in a short position. But according to the MACD, you can see it did cross right here down below, and you can see it ran down. MACD is another indicator. I would say use this Nadaraya Watson envelope with another indicator. Today I've been testing it with the MACD. I may test it again tomorrow with the RSI to see which one kind of works better for my trading style. And then you can see right here, it hits the extreme again. So what is this? 12.45. The price is at 397. And I'm sorry for this one. It wasn't a 379. It was a 397 0 day to expire option. So right here, if I were to do a $397.80 0 day to expire option, it would have been at $79 this time. And then I would have went all the way up to here, which is roughly like 45 minutes, a 45-minute run. And that would have been an 81% return. So adding a 258% return to an 81% return, that would have been a lovely day of day trading. And it would have only been maybe 2 hours in the market total, right? So that's the new indicator I'm looking at. Like I said, the only thing is with this new indicator that I did find out that it does repaint. This will be the first indicator that I've ever used that actually does repainting. And when it repaints, it kind of uses past levels, historical levels, to kind of predict future levels. So at one point, and then once the data comes out, it reconfigures itself. So an indicator might be on there at this time, but 5 minutes from now, it may not be there, depending on the time frame, because of the data that it gathered and it reconfigured itself. So I am going to keep looking at this. I don't have a Discord. I have a Discord, but I don't really use it. You can definitely catch me on my social medias. I do post my wins and losses on my day trades. I am going to look at this indicator as well for my swing trades that last days and weeks. And we're going to see how this goes. I'm looking for the best indicator for me that's going to help me grow my portfolio the fastest. And we're going to see how this one is. It did really good on my back testing for myself today. I'm going to keep looking at it and see what we can do. If you've been rocking with me, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what indicator do you use when you're trading? Is it MACD, RSI, estimated moving averages, just the simple moving averages, Bollinger Bands? What do you use? Or do you just mark your own support resistance lines? Or do you just say buy, sell? Let me know. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Yeah.